Can one keyboard truly master both the lightning-fast demands of gaming and the marathon sessions of typing? This NIELONGHCY 104 keys NKRO mechanical gaming keyboard steps up to that challenge, promising a versatile experience for everyone. Right out of the gate, the ergonomic design catches your eye. Those sculpted keycaps and the integrated keyboard shelf aren't just for show, they genuinely make a difference. After hours of intense gaming or a long day of typing, your fingers and wrists feel surprisingly fresh. It's a small detail, but one that speaks volumes about user consideration. Now let's talk performance. For gamers, the NKRO technology is a game changer. No more ghosting or missed commands when you're mashing multiple keys in a frantic battle. Every single press registers, giving you that crucial edge. And speaking of presses, the blue switches deliver that satisfying, tactile click we all love. It's not just about the sound, it's about the feedback. That distinct bump and audible click confirm every keystroke, making both rapid-fire gaming actions and precise typing feel incredibly smooth and responsive. It truly enhances efficiency, whether you're landing a headshot or drafting an important email. Beyond the core mechanics, the NIELONGHCY keyboard also packs rich multimedia shortcut keys. Adjusting volume, pausing music, or skipping tracks is just a quick tap away, adding a layer of convenience that you quickly come to appreciate. This isn't just a one-trick pony for gamers. Its robust build and thoughtful features make it equally at home in a bustling office environment or a cozy home setup. It genuinely caters to both the demanding typist and the competitive gamer. So does it live up to its promise? Absolutely. The NIELONGHCY 104 keys NKRO mechanical gaming keyboard manages to blend comfort, precision, and versatility into one compelling package. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable, responsive, and genuinely enjoyable typing and gaming experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.